Here is how you can play PES Online multiplayer with friends on the new PPSSPP update. First, make sure your PPSSPP is updated to the latest version. Then open PPSSPP and copy my settings. Make sure that Enable Networking/WLAN is checked, and in the ad hoc server address, choose eahub.eu. After that, open PES and copy these settings as well. One phone should be set to Setup Room, while the other phone should be set to Search for Match Room. As you can see, the online match is now working perfectly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.